February 2nd, 1st. And we have a blizzard. I don't know how well camera is catching this. This is supposed to be a 2-3 day thing. The wind is howling. 30 something, I don't even know exactly how much miles per hour. There's like a snow tornado out there. This is pretty big. Hold on. Just wiping the camera down. This is crazy. I am shocked. And this is only within hours of it starting to snow, and then the winds just picked up. My mom is at work right now. I'm really scared for her. I am nervous because this is really bad. I saw one car skid already. Man, I can't imagine driving in that. I feel sorry for anyone who has to drive through this. Or like, anyone who's like a trucker or whatever. I really feel sorry for you right now. Because this weather sucks. I even saw one guy walk past our house. And he had a snow shovel. I don't think anyone would want to shovel in this snow right now. Can you guys see that wind? Isn't that crazy? I can see it's still coming right towards the window. I know it doesn't look like a lot on the ground, like right in front of the house, but like over there, there's a sidewalk. It's pretty high because of where the wind is blowing, so certain hot spots is going to be higher than others. This is crazy. You guys see that? Nuts. Wow. There's snow on the window. Let's go right here. Sorry, the window's kind of dirty. See that? It's the... I've had this thing here for quite a while now. With the construction. 2 years. Can you... It's crazy. We really don't like this here, but... Supposedly they're fixing the streets. Not exactly happy there's like those pipes and stuff in our yard. See that, right, Pepper? It's crazy out there, huh? I was about to let you out. I don't know if I want to. You probably pee real quick, huh? You still gotta go potty? Let's see, I don't know. Come on. Just be quick, okay? Because that's really bad. Because I know you have to pee. Huh? Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Hurry, baby, go quick. Go potty quick, baby. I know, it's, oh my gosh, my poor doggy. I know she has to go pee so bad, otherwise I wouldn't let her out. Does anyone else like this? Does anyone else have bad weather? Who else is from Chicago? Or area near her has got a bad blizzard? I'll try to make some more videos later. But here's the first. I know it's been kind of crazy. I hope you guys watch the Christmas videos. I know I haven't done any in a while. I'm really sorry. This is just insane. We haven't had weather this bad since we had a tornado come through here. And that was bad enough. Hurry, puppy! Hurry, baby! Come on! Papa! Come on, baby! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come here, baby! Come on in! Want a treat? Come here. Come here, Pepper. Come here. Come here. Oh my gosh, the door. Oh my gosh, did you guys see that? Wow. I am locking this door up. Make sure the wind doesn't catch it. So last thing we need is, look at that stop sign. You guys see that? That thing is in there pretty darn good. That wind must be really strong to be moving that. Because that was not loose before. That wind loosened up that thing. Wow. I swear to you, that was not loose. Until now. The wind is crazy. How could anyone be walking around out here? Are you okay, puppy? Are you okay, girl? Hmm? That's my puppy. That's my Dalmatian. I love you. Up, up. Hello, there's my Misty. There's my Misty. Hi. Alright, sit. Let's take a look out there. Whew. Alright, I'll update later. Best of luck for the rest of you. Alright, bye.